Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. Look at this beautiful box with this beautiful W. It's the Wonka Collection from China Glaze. I entered their Instagram contest and I won it. So I got one of these boxes and I just had to show you. Look how amazing this box is. It's like set up like a suitcase. It is very fancy. So we'll turn it around, and then when you open it, there's this. Let me show you. This is what's on the inside of the lid, and then the bottom of the box looks like this. We've got this little congratulations, you're one of 7 lucky sweepstakes winners. If you also won one of these, comment below, let me know. That would be super neat. Please accept this gift as a token of our appreciation. Thank you, China Glaze and Warner Brothers. So we have the Wonka Collection, and then they gave us some extras. So we've got these minis, and then in fact, there are little sets as well. So there are duplicates. So I can have a set and I can give some away. And then in here, we've got us a little letter. Let's read it. This season, prepare for a fantastical array of nail hues and finishes. Inspired by the candy-colored world of Wonka, Wonka and China Glaze have teamed up to create 6 eye-catching shades to evoke the dreamer in us all. Celebrate the season Wonka style with a kaleidoscope of candied hues and sugar-glazed finishes. Wear and share with a friend. You'll be sure to dazzle in this season's most enticing hues. We've got some hashtags. The movie came out December 15th. If you haven't seen it yet, are you going to? I am. And then we've got a little packet of Wonka-inspired nail decals. How precious are those? I'm gonna get you guys some swatches. Okay, so first we have this brown chocolatey shade. This one is called Secret Recipe. Ooh, how pretty. Definitely, I would recommend using 2 coats. It is nail polish, and so you do want a nice opaque coverage. Look at that. It's even self-leveling to smooth that coverage out. That looks delicious already. Then we have this beautiful gold. Look how it glistens. This one is called Wonka. And look at that sparkle. Same situation. I definitely would recommend 2 coats for full opacity. But look at that. That is a nice shimmer. And just in time for the season. Then we've got this one. It's kind of a blue-greeny teal. You can see there's some shimmery shades in there. You can see the way the color folds into itself. That's beautiful. This one's called Noodle. I'm not sure why. Look at that. That shimmer is in there. It looks so nice. And the color just rolls together. When it spreads out, it does kind of cover up those brush strokes. But I think this one is one of my favorites. It's so pretty. We've got this purple one, but it has a pink shimmer in it, and it also folds together in that shimmery way. You know what I mean. This one is called Pure Imagination. Whoever put the lids on these was really not intending it to spill. I had to go into Hulk mode to get this one open. Wow, look at that one. That one is more sheer than it looked like it was going to be, but I think it's intentional so that you can see the depth and see those little sparkles throughout. Definitely, again, I do recommend 2 coats, but look at it self-level. The streaks have basically disappeared. That is stunning. I love it. And then we have this one. This one's a glitter. It's between pink and purple. I would call it a fuchsia, really. Quite stunning. It's called For the Dreamers. Look at that. That's so pretty. It's like Barbie, but also lipstick, but also light ruby. It's not exactly red, but it glistens like a jewel. What jewel is this color? In real life, it is way prettier than on this swatch stick. Like, it really gives depth. Look at that. It's like a disco. And then we've got this pink one. It's a soft pink. It is called Totally Taffy. Nice, creamy, opaque pink. This one can be used as a nude or a base, and then you can add designs with it, or you can wear it by itself. Look how it smooths and levels. That was just one coat, but of course I do recommend two. That looks great. All right, so here is the collection all together. They look really good. I feel like they complement each other, and yet there is a good variety here, so there's a little something for everyone. Whatever your vibe is, there is something in this collection that you could enjoy. Remember, I am going to be giving some of these away as well, so be on the lookout. Be subscribed. Make sure your subscriptions are on public. Be following my socials in case I use those to do the giveaway, or I may do it here. Definitely always be checking the descriptions, because that's where you will find rules and instructions on how to enter giveaways and how to claim your prize. So make sure that you are aware, and if you get drawn as the winner, make sure that you do reach out in the time allotted so that you can claim your prize. Nobody, especially not me, is going to announce the winner in the comments. There will be a separate post or a separate video or something. It may be a short to announce the winner. So if anybody comments you're the winner, do not believe them. Don't follow that. Just follow exactly what you heard from me only. And then we can make sure everybody is getting what they're supposed to get and not getting scammed. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for being subscribed. Thank you for your likes and your comments. It helps the algorithm. It helps me. It helps my channel grow. I really appreciate it. And let me know what you think of this collection. Is it everything you hoped it would be, or were you a bit underwhelmed? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.